Hey, Math and Science Academy. So we have an exciting week coming up. We're in our last investigation of the semester, which is crazy, but we are in the home stretch now. Um, so this investigation builds on what we know, what we've learned before about subatomic atoms and how they all fit together. But you guys have some really cool extensions that we're going to do with this unit. Starting off with talking about valence electrons and the periodic table, like really getting into how it's organized and why it makes sense the way it is. We're going to work on building an ion small group activity in the afternoon today and do a Google form called Organizing the Elements. Then we're going to follow what the regular physics class is doing with talking about pairs of charges, how things tend to split into a positive and a negative. But then we're going to start getting into how we write ionic formulas and electron dot diagrams. And we're going to do a Google form about that. And then on Friday, we're going to start talking about how electrons relate to electricity and circuits. And you're going to get a chance to build a circuit using an online gizmo. So it's going to be a good week. After that, we're going to just keep on going with conductors and insulators. We're going to look at just a bit about electricity, kind of a little mini electricity unit within our atomic stuff that we're working on. So looking ahead, we have just a couple days the next week after that, where we'll be finishing up our unit on electricity and electrons and atoms and things like that. And then we're going to have our test coming up, the Investigation 5 test coming up that week before break. And that will take us just right about to the end with a review for that. So it's going to be good. You guys are going to like the extensions that we have here this week. I hope you have a good time with it, and we'll see you soon.